Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Luxon Hotel, Quezon City, Manila. This is the Chantal Direct Sales Incorporated 6th year anniversary with the theme of Legacy Built Together. To welcome these distributors who excel on their area, let us welcome here on stage the top 10 distributors.
Happy 6th anniversary, Chantal! We are the Masasala couple.
Andito po kami ngayon sa Luxon Hotel to celebrate this big event.
At samahan niyo po kami dito sa Chantal dahil unti-unti na namin nakukonquer yung global market.
Hello everyone, I am Ras Garaygay. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Luxon Hotel, Quezon City as we celebrate our 6th year anniversary dito sa Chantal. With Chantal, achieving dreams is very possible.
Happy 6th anniversary, Chantal! Grabe, sobrang exciting ang gabi na to. Nandito kami sa Luxon Hotel and may mga awards night dito sa ating event. So ngayon, sa mga aspiring nating distributors, nako, seryosohin nyo na to dahil talaga magbabago ang buhay nyo dito. Legit yan. At the same time, sabi nga natin, dahil kay Chantal, buo na ang iyong pangarap, ikaw na lang ang kulang.
So mga ka-Chantal, this is VP Mark. And today is our big event, no? Kasi ngayon is our 60th anniversary celebration. And sobrang dami nating mga distributors na pupunta. For the coming years, no? I know na tuloy-tuloy tayo. And I hope that we have more sales to come. Chantal is everything na ikaw na lang ang kulang.
Because this is Coach Vinci and we're here now at Luxon celebrating the 6th anniversary of Chantal. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng home-based business, yung legit at makakasama yung pamilya mo habang ginagawa ito, nakakatulong ka sa iba, at you learn the modern techniques on how to sell e-commerce for free, you're welcome to join sa Chantal Direct Sales. And we are on our 6th year. So, ang dami na natin pinagdaanan at marami tayong magandang pagdadaanan. If you want to join us and you want to experience the things that we're experiencing here, join lang kayo ng Chantal. Sabi nga natin, kay Chantal, buo ng pangarap mo, ikaw na lang ang kulang.
Happy 6th anniversary, Chantal!
Happy 6th anniversary, Chantal!
Everyone is excited. Are you all excited to see it in front of you guys? The mismong packaging natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new packaging of our products. Palakpakan naman natin.
Hi, this is Chester Salas, Executive Director of Chantal Direct Sales, and nakakatuwa kasi sobrang dami nating mga tao dito na natulungan para magkaroon ng sariling business at kumita. Kaya sa mga nanonood dito sa video na to na hindi pa part ng ating community, then this is your chance to join this company dahil marami tayong mga exciting good news para sa lahat at sana sa next anniversary, kasama ka na namin.
Hello everyone, this is Lowell Magadaro, the founder and chairman of Chantal Direct Sales. Iniimbita namin kayo na sumali sa aming community. Meron po kami mga free trainings regarding Canva, Facebook ads, and dropshipping tayo, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, but meron po tayo sa Dubai, sa Hong Kong, sa Taiwan, and more countries pa na bubuksan natin. Kaya, tara na!